Okay, this is a little bit of a winter cleanup. My husband's cutting down the ornamental grasses. He keeps saying he's gonna get rid of them. I'm gonna take you around back and show you what we cleaned up with the irises and the yellow coneflowers. See, cleaned all that out. Still got a bunch of weeds in there that I gotta do something with, but you can see down there the yellow coneflowers is still there. They'll be back. We cut back this bush so everything is cleaned up for the winter, getting ready for the spring. You see all them piles of pine needles. He's burning them. But I'm gonna walk over here at my cutting garden and see what's going on. I could probably use some of this as mulch, but it's got so much junk in it, I don't know. Look at all these pine needles. And we still got a ton over on the other side. Let's see what's happening. I decided to come outside. I got bored in the house. Look at that pile we got to get rid of. Let's see how my hedges are doing, y'all. Yeah, they're doing pretty good. They came back. Still got a little bit of spots that are empty. And look, he cleaned all this up. It's back full of weeds again. But we'll get it. Probably could kill it if I put all those pine needles, stack them up here. And this is my, in the wintertime, what the peonies look like. I need to clean that up. And then over here are a couple coneflowers and the irises that need cleaned up. But look, these are verbenas. They come up from seed. If I was trying to plant them, they don't come up. And there's a couple of daylilies over here. And this is where I wanted to put my rose garden back. But I'm going to get it. The best time to try to clean out irises is probably February or March. Because then they just come right out the ground. And you don't have to cut them down like we did over at the behind the patio. But here's my roses. They're looking a little crazy. I see it's got some new growth, which I don't want right now. But I'll have to tie them back up some. And then over here, you see the hostas and what the hydrengas look like here in the winter. I gotta cut this down so we can burn them too. And he edged up on this path. He's got the dirt in the path, but we will get all this cleaned up for spring. And I just wanted to come out and just give you a quick overview of what's going on in the garden for the winter. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.